How to log in into Square Payroll employment account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Square Payroll employment account. Square Payroll is a tool for managing payroll benefits and more. So today in this video we are going to log in into employment account of Square Payroll. So let's get started. First of all, open any preferred web browser on your computer or a mobile device. In the address bar, type in squarepayroll.com and press enter. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. On the login page, enter your email address associated with Square Payroll account. Enter your Square Payroll password in the second field. If your company has two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to enter the code sent to your phone or email. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary two-factor authentication, click on the login button. You will be directed to your Just Work dashboard where you can access your paid stubs, benefits, personal information, and more. If you have by chance forgotten your password or can't log in, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the instruction to reset it. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into Square Payroll employee account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.